Your MPs stand on court-martial. We ask lawmakers to find out if they would support the return of civilians to military court. This video is meant for your local MP. Make sure that your local MP sees this video. Dear MPs, I know some of you don't care about the people you're representing and that you're just in parliament for the money. But either way, if you pass the amendment to the UPDF Act, you're not only sending us to doom, but also potentially yourself. Since sometimes some of you pretend like you do not understand a thing, let me dummy it down for you. The Supreme Court ruled that it is unconstitutional to do what? To convict civilians in general court-martials. Why? Because general court-martials are only meant to deal with military offenses. Because they are not real legal courts. With no trained lawyers or judges, it is just military officials that run these courts. And if you still don't understand what that implies, it means that these guys are not bound by any legal principles or procedures like in a usual court, such as rules of evidence, the rights of the accused, or even access to a proper defense. Yet you want to send us to a court that is neither impartial nor competent enough to handle civilian matters. Did you forget that you are a civilian yourself, dear MP? And that one day you could potentially land in this court? Because clearly this is a frontier for the arbitrary use of power, because now anyone can be convicted by this court. Journalists, opposition, activists, TikTokers. And that's what we call us. This isn't just a legal issue, it is a full-on democratic issue. It's about fairness, justice, and the protection of fundamental rights, which our so-called legislators in parliament clearly don't care about, because the MPs would have given the military unchecked powers to try civilians for offenses that could easily be politically motivated. Dear MP, pass this bill knowing that deep down, one day, you may be subject to the same law you make, and it will not be funny when it's your turn. Because now, Ugandans are at your mercy, but you wait when you're at the mercy of the military court.